Yeah, what you're seeing here is vscode, and inside vscode I have first of all codex, and then here in this main area I have tmux, and I've split tmux into 6 terminal panes, and then I gave it like this. I gave codex the instructions to start a subagent in a tmux session in pane number 1. Then I gave it a second one, a third one, and now the fourth one was just created, and now this runs as well. Um, yeah, I'm using the ChatGPT app, and then I go through the application, and when I see something there, I will just explain, yeah, make another description for a subagent like this and this and this and that, and then want the output. I want that as a code box, and I copy that into this here, into this text area, and then I just tell it, okay, start this in another tmux session. Well, that's it basically.